Welcome to Gubot company. We are a company specializing in production, research and development of automotive aftermarket repair equipment. We have owned hundreds of patents. Our teams is professional and provide our customer with one-stop solution purchasing around the world. This is our wheel repair machine. It only takes 5 minutes to repair a wheel. Our software is developed ourselves and is very easy to operate. The laser and diamond cut can be used at the same time. If you have any question regarding our company and products, feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing Gubot. Let's create a better future together.